Apple crisp, a simple yet delectable treat. He begins by pouring 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Not to be confused with limes or lemons, lemons are a mix. Not really. Next, he grabs his bourbon, because what dessert is worthwhile without bourbon? Another heaping 2 tablespoons, and on he goes. 1, 2, 3, 4 Granny Smith apples. He begins by cutting the Granny Smith apple into 4. However, he realizes that he didn't peel them, so he moves on to the next apple. Somehow, he can't get his grater to work. What is wrong? Perplexed, he inspects it again, and realizes he had it backwards. On to peeling apples. He cuts his apple into 4. This leaves the core intact and can be disposed of easily. Cutting the apple into thin slices, ensuring that they will be soft, cooked, and juicy. He gathers them and puts them into his bowl. And gives it a good mix. The lemon juice prevents the apples from turning grey or black, or the color of the plague. He continues and peels the rest of his apples. With magic, it's done. 4 apples in the bowl. He gives it a good toss to make sure they're all coated with the bourbon and the lemon juice. And he finds one in his pocket. He sets it aside and cleans up, because he does not want ants. He preheats his oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know what that is in Celsius, but it's pretty hot. 60 grams of rolled oats. And he freezes, because he forgot how much brown sugar. So he references his notebook. 1 cup light brown sugar, or 198 grams. Half a cup of flour, 60 grams, and he plays jingle bells. He also adds 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, but not before he freezes, because he had a cold freeze. In it goes. Next, some vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons. He mixes it all up with his fork to ensure a nice, even mixture. Now it's time for butter. One stick of butter, 4 ounces, cut into cubes. This goes into his dry mixture. And using his choppers, he mixes it. And not doing it right. He's immediately pushed aside. And the mixture is mixed by an expert. It becomes wet and darker in color as the butter is incorporated. Once it has been mixed, he sets aside 3 large bowls. Now, these are large bowls, so he's only using 3. Ideally, you want about an apple per person. He probably should have used 4. He grates some nutmeg across the top. This will add a nice little kick. Then he adds his dry mixture, making sure to cover the top of the apples. Oh, this is the best part. nice and crunchy. Making sure to get every last bit. He places his ramekins on a sheet tray. And into the oven they go for 30 minutes. Or until they're nice and crisp. They deflate and inflate. After 30 minutes, out they come. Be aware, they may not look hot, but they are piping hot. What? As he almost drops them, he transfers them to a cooling rack. There he'll let them cool. They are not quite guava lava hot, but they are hot. And now the magic. Vanilla ice cream. As he adds a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream across the top, his mouth begins to water. For now, it is time to try it. You can see the steam coming off it. Oh my God, he says. This is unbelievable. And this is also ruining my diet. But it's worth it. This has been Apple Crisp. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Follow us at blacktieKitchen.com and Black Tie Kitchen across all social media. And until next time, stay hungry.